Okay, let's go ahead and go over the CRM. Okay, the first thing you're going to need to know is where are you going to access this CRM? If you go to ACIleads.com, you can access the CRM on your tablet or desktop PC. We do have a mobile application, and I'll get into that in another video where you can get your information on the road if you need it. Okay, so let's go to ACIleads.com. From there, you're going to want to type in your username that's been assigned to you and the password assigned to you. Okay, we're going to log in with Jeff. He's the first salesperson in the system. Okay, a brief overview of your dashboard. First thing you're going to notice here is we have appointment schedule, kind of self-explanatory. Leads are going to be where we assign the appointments to you. We're going to go ahead and call it a lead until it turns into a contract. Then from a contract, it's going to all the information is going to be put in there in a pipeline format for you so you can keep track of the progress of each one of your deals. And what we'll be able to do is help you manage your workflow because we're going to get you pretty busy here in the spring. Then we have documents. Documents is going to be where you're going to upload your contracts. You're going to upload your pictures. You're going to upload your estimates. This information is going to be stored in the document section, and that's going to allow us to be able to help you when you're on the roads. Because again, you're going to be pretty busy this spring. There's going to be times you're going to have access to this information, and you're going to be running appointments. So we're going to have to make some availability to help you out there if we get you too busy. The next thing you're going to have here is problem appointments. If you have a unique situation, anything that you would like to address to me in regards to the marketing program, you're going to go ahead and address it here with problem appointments. What it's going to do, it's going to make a hard copy record to ensure that I don't miss any communications because we plan on getting pretty busy, and sometimes a phone call, I might have 3 other phone calls after, or something could come up and I could forget. So rather than have that problem, worst case scenario, at the end of each day, I can look at the problem appointments and find out where we may be, running into some problems and get them addressed the next day quickly as possible. So this is a basic overview. All the stuff you see here in the middle of the dashboard is kind of some fancy dancy stuff that we haven't really implemented yet. But if you're interested in it, I can go ahead and get with you and we can help you set it up. We have key metrics, trouble tickets, upcoming activities. It's just basically a dashboard view of everything you're storing inside your CRM here. We got right here is we can add the add button standard throughout the program. We'll get into that here in a minute when we start breaking down the modules. So we'll get into this in a minute. You have a calculator if you need a calculator. That was actually the calendar. There's the calculator. So if you would like to do a calculation, you have a calculation right there. You have a world clock, so if you need to know what time it is in different places. Again, the calculator. That looks like a calculator. It's kind of funny. I use this program every day for hours, and I thought that was a calculator. If you want to chat, there's a chat room in here. So anybody that's logged on, if you're bored one night, you can chat with them. We got last viewed. This will let you know the last record you viewed in the system. This will let you change the layout. This will let you adjust the way you look at everything here. So let's go ahead and jump into our modules, and we'll kind of go into a little bit of detail on how you're going to be able to use the CRM.